guys know what this load is, because I already told you. So pay attention. You guys are going 3,000 foot a second. I'm gonna go one click left. Well, it
feels like you're getting punched in the face.
Got it again. I think I got it where it belongs. This time I flipped it up. I hit it too. Morning, guys. Lencac here. And of course I'm at the range. I got something I want to try today. But as you can see, it's overcast. It's pretty darn cold. And God, you know, but shit, dude, you got to do something, for crying out loud. I can't go play pool. You can't go get a sit-down meal at a restaurant somewhere, you know. And the whole stupid thing with wearing the freaking face diapers and stuff is just irritating as hell. But nevertheless, I digress. You know my feelings about that kind of stuff. And as usual, without fail, we have to mention the mighty 17-second Crown Vic, which I'm convinced, short of the paint coming off, is the best car ever made. This is the competition. This is Killer Curdy Boy. Exactly. Okay, buddy, you're live. See, this is Curdy Boy's rifle. This is a warmed over Remington fluted stainless barrel, 308 short stock, and the gem on top is a Night Force.
Now, this is a super sniper stock, just so you know.
It is?
Yeah, super sniper stock.
He says it's a super sniper stock, but I would have to see proof of super sniperness for him to claim that. Right. Here we go. Bam, how'd that feel?
Dead nuts, feels good.
Just
all right.
He's got his big barrel. Got his big barrel.
This thing is
Fine orange right there. Nice. What do you notice about the trigger?
Feels good. It's real crisp.
And like a ton lighter than it was.
Yep.
Bam.
A little low.
Yeah?
But
probably not much though, huh?
Not much. Right next to the other one.
Oh, yeah.
Almost through the other hole. Ah, fuck. Fucked it all up.
You fucked it up?
Fucked it up.
Let's see, do I stand a chance?
It didn't feel right.
Oh yeah, I stand a chance.
Should we cover the holes and do it again?
Oh, I'm going to shoot 5. I'm going to shoot my 5. Because you've got 2 groups now, and so do I. I'll have 2 then.
Oh, okay. Okay. That one didn't feel right, folks. I should have just let it go and regrouped.
Yeah, you should have started all over.
Yeah.
Let's go down and take a look. We got to take a look at this thing.
Let's go look.
All right, there's a Kurt's 5-shot, Kurt the Magnificent's 5-shot group. And that's not bad. Couple touching right there. So I give you, those are 10. So there's 40 there with 2 oranges, 2 X's.
Yeah.
You touch the orange, that's an X.
Okay.
Right, so you got 40, you got 49. Okay, it's my 5 shots off clean, no pre-shots before it or anything.
No.
Right?
Match ammo versus surplus ammo.
This is 30-06.
Is that what we're talking about?
Yeah, no, this is 30-06. We don't have any surplus ammo for this.
No.
No. Oh, wait, it probably would help if I put a bolt in it, huh? All right.
Okay.
Let's see where these go, buddy boy. You're gonna try this thing. You gotta try this. All right, where's my target? Where is my victim? I just picture little head right down there.
You like it?
That's it.
Boy, almost touching the red.
Almost.
Almost. That was close.
Yeah, it was.
Next one will be in there.
Better be. It better be in there. All right.
That one's almost red too.
Same place.
Yeah. Some red.
There's red. There's some red there.
Is that touching red?
You can't tell.
Close.
It is.
I
All
can't
right,
tell
that's
either.
my 5 group. That was my first group with a cold, clean gun, getting her fouled. Got one X, but that's a 50 with an X.
It doesn't matter that I haven't shot with this in 5 years, but that's all right.
I can understand, and I understand.
I like it.
All right, but we're going to try this. We're going to give him some match grade ammunition, let him shoot some of that. So, stop. Another thing I want you to check. You see how you got the rifle canted this way?
Right.
Before I shoot, I'll look over the top of this and make sure it's level.
It's level. Okay.
Follow me?
Yep.
These may shoot in a little bit different spot, but nevertheless, we'll just shoot for group. See it there?
What the fuck?
It's way different. Like I said, these might shoot different than what the surplus stuff does.
Well, then I'm getting robbed here.
We're gonna just go for a group. I just want to see how it'll shoot a group.
All right.
So don't change anything. Just shoot it where it wants. Let's see if that's where they all go.
Okay.
Oh yeah, that's where it's going.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna change it.
Okay. No.
The reason being is that if you shoot this in the future, you're gonna be shooting the surplus stuff.
Right.
So it makes no sense to adjust it to this ammunition.
No.
So I just want to see it shoot a group.
Oh yeah, they're right next to each
Yeah,
other.
they are.
Huh?
Oh yeah,
Yep.
got a nice little clover leaf going there.
Yeah. Why would it shoot so different?
They just do. They just do. Different bullet weight, different powder charge, just different shit. And they do.
That might be fucked up.
Right there. A little bit left.
Yeah,
The rest of those other three, but
that didn't
still
feel
right there.
that didn't feel very good.
Yeah.
It's right there.
It's in one of those holes.
Yeah.
It looks like it went through one of them exactly.
Yeah.
Because I can't see any of the four are bigger than the other.
That was a good pull.
Right there. It is right there, buddy boy. That's right through one of those other holes there.
Damn.
I couldn't tell which one, but it's through one of them. Huh.
Not too shabby.
Nice. All right, put that away. You got to try the Gruning. Just lay that over on your box, on your
All
thing
right.
there. Look at these evil looking fuckers. Now this one, you definitely want to put these in there, just lay it in there, put it in nice and gentle. Because they're not in the case very tight. These are not a very much of a press fit here, so they can be. And now, oh, here, I tell you what, this is what you're going to want to do first.
Kiss it.
Yeah, kiss it, would you? So, close it and just pull the trigger one time. I just want you to understand what the trigger is. Okay?
Okay, don't breathe on it.
So yeah, just roll it in there and let it rip. But you feel how nice it's all.
Everything's smooth. Yeah.
Go for the orange. And you got a level here too. You see that? You got your level.
Yeah.
You want to put that so it's in the middle. Yep.
Whoa.
Right there.
Yep.
You're thinking of trigger.
Yeah. Yeah. You'd have to get used to that. There's no pull to it.
No, you just touch it.
Yeah.
You're not taking this hunting. Yeah, just lay it in there like that and it'll pick it up.
That didn't feel
Let
right.
that one get away from you.
That one didn't feel right.
Nah, it's funny how you know it too.
Yep.
As soon as it goes off, you know it wasn't right.
Yep.
I know.
I could tell.
All right, you're gonna fix that though right now. There you go.
Yep.
See now it makes it look like you're making a big hole there because you're starting to push through the stickies that
Yeah,
you put up there
yeah.
earlier. Right in there somewhere.
Yep.
Right in that whole mess. Yep, I saw that one. That went exactly through one of your other holes there.
Yep. Not too shabby.
Okay. All right, there you go. There's his group with his Remington. some match ammunition, and this is the Gruning. Of course, the Gruning shoots everything like that. Usually better, but you know, what do you want?
I'm an amateur.
It's been a while since he's done this, but nevertheless, it's still pretty good fun.
Wait till next week.
I see some of the hunters that come out here, and they would kill to get those kind of groups.
Those kind of groups, they kill for.
Yeah, they
would kill for that. Yeah.
They would. Right?
You're
I'll
cheating.
find one. I'm gonna use one of these guys.
You're cheating.
I'm gonna use one of these guys. I'll use one of these. I'm gonna use an oddball round. I'm gonna give you a break here. The first one out of this is gonna be a 200 grain bullet, and the other 4 are 175 grain bullet.
It's gonna be what?
So the first round may shoot a little different. Hopefully, that might give you an edge for my handicap.
Ah,
We'll see.
going down, old man.
It's going down. That's right. It is going down like a big dog. All right, buddy boy.
Okay, we going live?
We're going live. We're hot. We are going hot. Hot as it gets.
Going towards the bottom one?
Yeah, I'm going to shoot at the top one.
Okay. Oh, you got some red.
That's red.
It's really red. It's bleeding out.
Yep.
You happy? Oh, nice. Nice.
Now she's hitting on all 8.
You should be grateful for my learning curve. I think that went through another hole. Through another hole.
Badass, huh?
Yeah. So that's my competition shot right there, right? That's 3.
All right, guys. This is the competition. But as you can see here, he threw 2 shots right out of the gate. Boom, boom.
First 2.
Gave up 2 points, and then he had 3 that are pretty tight, a little bit to the right, but so you get that's a 48 right there.
Okay.
And then my last group is, well, you see, it's just ridiculous. that's just a perfect. That's a perfect 100. You still lose by a point.
That was fun, dude.